Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create this bottom base. The dimension is dia 25 and dia 12. The pitch is 90 mm. The center circle diameter is dia 60 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select here top plane, create circle, give the dimensions 25, this is 12 mm, this is 60 and here to here 90, here to here 45, give the constraints here, and also give the equal constraint here. Select line, create line like this, trim this line, give the tangent constraint, here also give the tangent constraint. Here select on corner rectangle, create rectangle like this, give the dimensions from the center 40 mm, this is also 40 mm. This we can drag up to this circle. Trim this line. So create first line here, give the tangent constraint, now trim the lines. So finish sketch. The thickness is 22 mm. Next there is a loft flange. The bottom diameter is 50 mm, top is 25 mm. Select this surface, sketch, create on dia 50 circle first, finish. So here take on plane, 50 mm is okay. Now select the plane, sketch, create dia 25 circle, finish. Select, hide this plane first, select both the sketches, select here lofted boss, okay. Next select the bottom surface, sketch, create one circle, give the dimension, the bottom circle dimension is dia 40 mm, so finish. The depth is select extruded cut, depth is 15 mm, next select this surface or create hole here, the hole diameter is dia 12 mm, finish. Extruded cut, here select through hole, okay. Next select here, there is a one cutout, give the dimension 22 and 6 mm. This is 15 mm. Finish sketch. Extruded cut. Here select up to next. Okay. So that's it. Assign material here, aluminum, polished aluminum. Edit appearances, assign some color here. Select faces also, select this faces. So we can change the inside holes. Select hole, here change it into faces. Select the all faces. These are all the machining faces. So change, assign some different color. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.